And what's up, guys? Today we are making another video, and this is our 5th Fortnite. And today my friend Malik is going to be playing. That's the Spider-Man. That's... I swear. No, I won't cry.
Stop. Play the alien. Hold on here. I can you open your please? Play the alien. Can my can you bring over here, please? I'm playing the alien. What? Can you bring it over here? Please. My pretty face over here.
I have absolute... bad. I have no ammo. I swear I have no ammo. That ain't fair. I can't shoot. Now I could shoot. Bro, I swear. Buck. I swear to God. I swear to God I can whoop you. You stop messing with me. I swear you think I'm joking. Bro, you're right there. I didn't see you. That ain't fair. But I swear to God, that's only one side, so you shut. I'm here. So if you want to clap me, come and clap me. I'm here. I swear to God. I'm bullying you. Hey, you just trapped me. You just trapped me, man. I swear. Oh! I swear. That's because I couldn't see you and you were just right there trapping me. And I swear. Oh, I didn't even see you there. You only got lots of minutes. Okay. So, John? No, that's Malik. And I'm making a YouTube video. I swear to God. I swear. I swear. Where the heck are you? Malik. You up there? Oh, no. Bro, I swear. I swear to God, I swear. I clapped you before. That's all I'm saying when I mean I clapped you. I'm here. I swear! You're up there and I can't even aim, bro! That ain't fair! Stop doing the little tricks! I told you, I am new! Oh, bro, I bet that one match! But I swear I am not. Why the heck are you hiding? I swear to God. I swear! You just got out here a little, what? I don't know what. But I'm gonna get you one day. But your mind's playing? Oh. I swear, I was close to clapping you that one. I was close. Yeah. Grab some 60 ammo. Lights machine gun. That still ain't fair. I swear to God. Back to 60. Bro, I want to get out and get this. Is there a way? Bro, you're on level 87. That isn't fair, and I'm on level 9. I'm clappy and you're classy. I'm not complaining. Malik, where are you? Come on, Malik, come down. The video's almost over. Freak Malik. But I only have 250 V-Bucks. I have some 250 V-Bucks. Wait, who just joined this game? Malik, who just joined this game? Wait, what? No, the Titans. Okay. Okay, come on. Malik, come down here. I want to clap you. You're saying I can't get up there. Who the? Quack, quack. Oh, and he's Prowler. Bro, that ain't fair. He's Prowler skin.
Come get me.
There's two people in this game, actually. No, Titan.
How did you get
Fanboy! You're gonna get crushed! I swear. I swear, he is good, so be careful with him. Bro, someone's trying to aim me! Fuck! Who the crap? Boom!
I'm gonna go back downstairs. My phone is downstairs, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go downstairs and finish eating.
Boom! I swear, this is epic. Damn, no! No! Right once I'm done family! I know that!
He's not hard,
He has better skins and stuff. He's super, actually, really hard.
You know what skin that is?
Prowler! Wait, no, Black Spider-Man.
Well, yeah, the skin that he's wearing that is.
Oh, now Prowler skin! Hey, freak, Bro, that ain't fair, Yes, I finally got him. Yes, I just leveled up. Now I'm on level 10. I'm on freaking level 10. Bro, who the heck is that? Who the crap? I swear.
Ada, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Clapping me though.
Still streaming the YouTube video?
Yeah. It's only 2 more minutes. So I will get down here and play while it's the last 2 minutes. I can't fight nobody also.
So he left?
I believe so. I can't see him.
Wait, don't leave.
Don't leave?
Yeah, don't leave.
Okay, could you come down here and try and fight? Okay, so that's the end of the video, and I will see you soon.
Okay.
Bye. Please like and subscribe now. See you later.